Hey, it's Scott Young here. I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we're going to be covering affiliate marketing for beginners without using a website. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step in this video. But before I get into it, if you want to know my number one recommendation for making money online right now, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video, and you could click on that link to access my number one recommendation. Now, all right, let's get into it. Now, first of all, when I started in affiliate marketing, I didn't use a website either. Now, I also didn't succeed, but that wasn't because I didn't have a website. The reason I didn't succeed is the training and the systems that I bought were just total garbage. I mean, I was buying from these gurus promoting these cheap little systems that were nothing but just copycat systems and were just not driving conversions at all. But then I got training and I got some mentorship and I learned the right way and I developed the skills to really start building a six-figure income. So let's run through it here. I assume you know the basics of affiliate marketing already, but just in case you don't, we're going to kind of blaze through the process real quick. So first you need to be driving traffic, right? Whether that's from Facebook or from TikTok or YouTube or wherever, you need to be driving traffic to a capture page. The capture page is not necessarily your website. It is normally hosted on another company's website, the company that offers the capture page templates and the system for doing that. Now, once you have the capture page, you're capturing your leads email, and that's going into your email autoresponder database. And once you have that lead in your email autoresponder database, you are then sending them automatically a valuable series of emails that is teaching them something, but there's also a link to the offer that you are promoting and hoping that they'll buy so that you could actually make money. So once the customer purchases, the affiliate company that you are making the offer with, they record the sale based on your specific affiliate link, and then you get the commission. So before I jump into how to do this without a website, let me explain a little bit about value. And this is actually tied into the fact that you don't need a website. But a minute ago, I said that once you capture a lead's email, you're going to send them through a valuable series of emails, right? Now, these emails will link out to pages actually in your sales funnel, which is not your website. Now, these pages are actually going to have a short little video where you're going to teach one or two valuable things to your lead about the niche that you and your lead are in. And you don't even have to show your face. You could do a screen recording and just talk about these couple things that you're teaching them. And at the end of each of those valuable but short videos, you're going to do a no pressure recommendation of the offer that you are trying to promote. Now, by providing value in inserting yourself into the sales funnel process, you've actually now given the lead a reason to know, like, and trust you, and that vastly increases your chances of them actually buying through your affiliate link. Now, how do you do this without a website? I know that's the reason you came here, so let's talk about that. Here's the trick. If you really don't want to build or have a website built, you could literally build out your content on your capture provider website. Okay, I'm going to explain that in a minute. For example, when you send traffic to your capture page, that capture page is actually hosted by the capture page provider, such as Clickfunnels, Lead Pages, Instapage, and there's a bunch of different ones out there. But these companies actually have dozens and dozens of drag and drop templates that are super easy to edit. You just scroll through, you pick one that you like, you just change the headline a little bit, and you change the call to action button a little bit, and voila, it is your own page, not your own website, but it's your own page that you can capture leads with. And in fact, you could edit that page to do anything that you'd like to, which we'll cover in a minute. So you don't need your own domain, and all you need to do is simply build out a new step in that funnel for each new piece of content that you have. So for example, you've already created 4 pieces of value-packed content that's getting your leads to know, like, and trust you, right? Now, after you create those, you actually slowly create one after another on the actual landing page builder's platform. So you have those first 4 pages in your sales funnel that contain the training videos, but then every couple days you create a new piece of content in a new step of the sales funnel, and you just keep building that out and out and out and out. Now, the capture page provider that I use is Clickfunnels, which I'll link to below as well in the description, but they actually allow 100 pages within a funnel. So without owning your own website or your own domain, you could actually build out 100 pages of content just on ClickFunnels without even owning your own website. It's really amazing. Now, here's the awesome part. Each time you create a new piece of content, you make that an email in your autoresponder series that then sends them to the page in your funnel that has the content. So each of those pages in your sales funnel also contain your affiliate link that you're going to tell them about at the end of the content or at the end of the video that's on that sales funnel page. So because you absolutely must have a capture page to succeed at affiliate marketing, why not leverage that capture page provider to easily build out a website full of content, right? So once you have 100 pieces of content in your funnel, and now those are also in your autoresponder, I mean, your business is on autopilot because you've got 100 pieces of valuable content that is going out to each subscriber that is unique and sets you apart, building likability, trust, and your conversion rates will super skyrocket when you do it this way, and you don't even have to have a website. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below and I will respond to them. I'd be happy to help. But give me a thumbs up if you like this content, or subscribe to my channel to get more value-packed content like this, and click the link below in the description to get my #1 recommendation for how to make money online right now using this type of method as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you take care.